Kim, why would I use a Flux-Coated preform?
Indium Corporation uses a Flux-Coated preform rather than the more commonly used Flux-Cored preform. A Flux-Coated preform adds the advantage of an oxidation barrier on the outside of the preform, whereas a Flux-Cored preform requires reflow in order to remove oxidation.
So what are some of the benefits of Flux-Coated preform?
Flux-Coated preforms are solventless, so there's low voiding. They're non-tacky, so it's a hard flux coating that's fused onto the outside of the preform. And they can also come in many different colors. So I've brought some pink ones here, and I brought some blue Flux-Coated preforms. They help the operators to distinguish different variables, so the color can help an operator determine whether it's SN63 or SAC 305.
Kim, where can we find out more information?
You can go to our website at indium.com, or you can contact me directly at kflanagan@indium.com.
Kim, thank you very much.
Thanks, Phil.